Hello, I'm Ryan from the Sony team, and in this video we're going to cover how to set up and get started with the mocopi receiver plugin for Blender. With this plugin, you can stream motion data from ZenMotion Studio or the mocopi PC app to Blender, animate your character, record motion data within Blender, and more. In order to utilize the mocopi Blender plugin, you must have the Blender 4.2 LTS version or higher and run it on the platform Windows 8.1 or higher. If emulating on a Mac, you must have Mac OS 11.2 or higher. You also need to have ZenMotion Studio or the mocopi PC app installed on your computer or the mocopi app on your smartphone. Whichever device you use, ensure it is on the same local network as the PC with Blender installed. To install the plugin in Blender, open the Preferences screen from the Edit dropdown, then select Get Extensions. From the dropdown menu in the top right corner, select Install from Disk, then select the downloaded plugin as a zip file and click Install from Disk. If the mocopi panel was added to the right sidebar, plugin installation was successful. In order to receive motion data from mocopi in Blender, open the mocopi panel from the sidebar and select the Add Mocopi Receiver button. Check the IP address and port number. Back in ZenMotion Studio's capture screen or mocopi PC app, go to Settings and select External Service Connection Settings. Verify that the IP address and outbound port settings number match those in the mocopi panel in Blender, then press OK. On the PC, you can select the Connect to this PC checkbox to automatically enter the IP address. The motion recording button should now be green. Press it to start streaming data to Blender. Back in the Blender app, when you set a character in the mocopi receiver panel, press the Connect button to start receiving the motion data to the character. Press Disconnection to stop receiving and recording the animation. The recorded animation is applied to the character, which you can check in the timeline. You have to manually set the bones that are not selected when you choose a character. To connect to multiple mocopi sets at the same time, select the Add Mocopi Receiver button, change the port number, and connect. Now you're ready to go and can start using your mocopi data with Blender. If you have any questions about mocopi or the Blender plugin, visit the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.